sila. Isip mo na lang. Bobby.
Sabay.
Sabi ko, yung practice natin, may sinabi copy
Ano to?
Sinabi yung practice.
My name is Elizabeth. I'm from Thailand.
Pinapansin mo kasi. Tatanggal kasi lang. Eh, ba't yung isa? Guys!
Sila? Kamu sila na ko. Ano pa yun?
So, I will make it personalization award mo. May pangalan. Wala pangalan natin. Okay. Promise, guys, promise. It will be personalized award.
Sila lahat?
Ito talaga best address nyo, bawa ko. Okay. So, bow din ako everybody. Lahat nagsalita kasi during the practice, mayroong nangangati ang liig, nangangati yung fit niya, yung socks, nagpa-practice. Ewan ko lang yung wala, baka yung wala yung mga nangyayari sa atin sabi before. Marami. So, anyhow. Okay, so, magbibigay tayo ng isa munang special award. I will repeat, to Mary will be nakasabay ng awarding of the personalized trophy. Okay? So, kasi meron pa kaming kulang, then yung complete yung test nila. So, we have to finish muna, hindi. Although pwede na siyang bigyan ng finals, kaya lang, pa-questioning kami. Kailangan namin i-complete yung ano. Okay? So, first, for the information, we will going to give one bed in costume. I told you, aside of that, you will receive all of you. Pero right now, we have to choose. The idea is 4. Mas maganda pa nito mag-receive nyo. On first Saturday or Friday of the month. Okay. So, depende ha, depende sa Saturday kasi medyo marami tapos personalizing. Ang paggawa hindi medyo madali, medyo matagal kasi one by one kasi is personalized. So, we will go to inform you. Again, after possible within the week of this November. Okay. Before I start, for those na nandito ngayon, we will have a field trip on November 21, which is in Subic, South Pari, and Ocean Adventure. So that will be our field trip on November 21. So you can start, shak-shak na natin yung payment, so we will going to give you a, for the gift is 150. That will be for the, with food yun, with food. Ocean Adventure and Subic Safari, both of them papasukin natin. Then with lunch na rin yun. With lunch. So you can bring your own lunch or a snack. Pero still we have a together with that. Ang wala doon ay yung swimming. Natin exercise. Okay? So, November 21 is our field trip. Okay, for the special award, best in costume, although all of you are winners. All of you are winners. Pero we have to choose kasi hindi ko expected Mommy and Daddy give all their best.
Saturday?
Okay?
Okay lang. Ano?
So for the Best in Costume Award, let's call on Miss Korea. Where is Miss Korea? Okay. Aside of that, we will also receive a personalized. And another one for the boy. For the boy. Let's just stay there for a while, baby.
Paano nakuha na?
For the boy. For the boy, may we call Mr. Thailand of Nursery, Ichiboy. Yeah. Yan, pareho silang rich, goldie, oh, puro gold. Okay, it's blue. Yeah. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Pero
Yung prank pala.
is it okay for you, Mommy, if you were going to wear that on the day of awarding? Is it okay for you to wear that again on the day of awarding? Yes. Okay, just,
Okay yan.
yun ang name lang yun. Walang malalakon. Did you get the names na? Did you get the names na? Dahil baka biglang may magbato sa akin. Teacher, nandun ako. So anyway, malalaman naman natin at ninyo. Okay? Thank you very much, Miss Korea and Mr. Thailand of Nursery. Yay!